we are finally starting our forex trading journey. All right, let me take you guys through all that has been happening behind the scene. Okay, so early this year we talked about that we are going to be diving into crypto trading. All right, forex trading as well. So we, after doing so much of a research and knowing doing so much studies, we discovered that forest is one thing that we would like to start with. Okay, the reason is because when you are doing a technical analysis on a particular cryptocurrency and you forgot to do an analysis on Bitcoin before trading that particular cryptocurrency, yeah, you might be in trouble, because the moment Bitcoin goes down, that particular currency tends to goes down as well, and the moment Bitcoin goes up, that particular crypto tends to goes up as well. So because of that, it was somehow to me. So if I had to do an analysis on a particular cryptocurrency I want to trade, so I had to do an analysis on two currencies. All right, I don't buy the idea. So plus, when you are learning technical analysis in trading, all right, the forex industry tends to be so much on the internet that you can get so much information from. Although when you are able to master forex, then you can be able to trade cryptocurrency. Yeah, trade cryptocurrency. Okay, because or after all, their chart is almost the same. All right, the reading of crypto chart and forex chart are almost the same. All right, but one thing I've discovered that well, maybe that's something we'll discover, we'll talk about later on this channel. All right, so what have we done so far? I took a course, all right, and I finished the course. All right, so this is the certificate of the course. As a matter of fact, I took the course and I finished the course, and I signed up to FundedNext Profile account. All right, they have a practice account. Okay, they have a practice account. So I will definitely sign up for the challenge. Okay, I will sign up for the challenge, and we have an account with them right now. All right. So if you want to be in this, if you want to start the journey with me or with us, okay, you can. FundedNext is one of the profile accounts I would advice you go into. Okay, because I did a research on my own, not because of what people are saying, but I did research on my own, and I discovered that yes, they are transparent and they're actually paying out, because that's the whole essence of you know going into this journey. All right, you be able to pass the challenge, and then you start trading, you make some funds, they pay your funds. All right, that's it. I mean, you don't want to pass a challenge and then when you start trading you don't get paid. I don't understand why are we here. So that's it, guys. Now I have signed up with Funded Next. If you want to use Funded Next on this journey with me, the link is in the description of this video. All right, and I've linked the Profem account, the Funded Next account, to my MT5. Okay, to my MT5. All right. Now, every analysis of every trade I'm going to be taking, I'm going to be sharing on this channel. Okay, so you can join the coin packer community. All right, and also since you are a beginner like I am, or you have some kind of experience, all right, but you want a community of people that we can grow together. All right, use the link in the description to join the community, coin packer community, so that we can share information together there. All right, now if you enter coin packer community, there is another link, which is the group link, where you can send message. On the main channel you cannot send message, but on the group channel you can send message from that one. So when you sign up, for when you log into the channel, then also join the group, so that when you drop a message I will see the message and I'll reply to your message. Plus, whatever you want to say or whatever you think, you can leave it in comment section. I will always respond to every chat on the comment section. All right, now what you are seeing on the screen right now is my account on FundedNext. Okay, that's my account of FundedNext. So so as you can see, this is the account. All right, I've not taken any trade on this account at all. All right, I've not taken any trade on this account at all. But I have on my trading view, I already done an analysis, but this one already play out. So one of the rules in trading is you don't run into the market. You wait for the market to come to you. Okay. So this one already play out. That is on USD chef. Okay. So but on CAD JPY, I have a trade that I've set up. Okay. So this is the trade. This is the trade. So this is the trade. So I'm um expecting the price to come into this zone. Okay, come into this zone like this, come back up, tap here again, then come back to this zone. So that is what I'm expecting. Okay, that is what I'm expecting. So I pray I'm able to catch this trade. So this is just like a 30 pips stop loss, and then 100 and 52 pips take profit. Okay, the thing is, I'm not actually going to be waiting for all the take profits. All right, so I actually marked it in three. Okay, in theory, first take profit and second take profit in 30 pips profit. So the moment I get to my first take profit, I'm going to be breaking even. Okay, when I break even, then I'll wait. If I get to 1:2, all right, I will take a partial profit, then I'll leave it the rest to run. Okay, so for USD, this one was a trade I took a demo, right? I took a demo trade yesterday, so actually got got out in profit. Okay, actually got out of this trade in profit. So this one is passed. Okay, that is that for gold. Don't know my network on gold. I don't know why gold is not why it's acting up. I cannot. It's just blank out. I don't know whether it's my network, whether it's trading view platform that is doing this, or I don't know. So that is that, guys. That is that. That is that, guys. So please, if you find this video helpful, if you find this channel like something that you would want to be a part of this journey with us, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload new videos. All right, every single thing that happens with this channel, with our challenge, with everything, our journey on Forex, we are going to be sharing on this channel. Okay, we are going to be sharing on this channel. It is you and I together on this journey. All right, stay with me and God bless you. Bye.